Hello, my students. How are you today? Today we'll talk about environmental balance. The Earth planet has many natural areas that contain some living organisms as animals and plants, and non-living things as air, soil, and water. Each one of these natural areas is called ecosystem. What's the meaning of ecosystem? Ecosystem it is a natural area including living organisms as plants, animals, and non-living things as water, soil, and air. So the components of ecosystems are living organisms and non-living organisms. Classification of ecosystem. Ecosystem may be classified according to their size into small ecosystem as an area of land or water bonds, large ecosystem as forest, desert, or ocean, very large as the universe that is considered the unified ecosystem. The relationships between the components of ecosystem. We have many relationships between components of ecosystem, like as the relationship between the plants and the soil. Plants depend on soil to absorb water and salts that are necessary to make their own food by photosynthesis process. And we find the relationship between plants and animals. Animals feed on plants to get food and energy. Another relationship among different animals. Some animals feed on other animals to get food and energy. When the relationship interaction among the components of ecosystem are stable, the environmental balance is occurred. Environmental balance. What's the meaning of environmental balance? It is a balance among the components of ecosystem. The interaction among environmental components is a continuous process. The interaction keeps the balance among these components unless a disturbance arises as a result of many factors. The factors that harm the environmental balance. Natural changes. A change in the natural condition in ecosystem causes disturbance like disappearance of some organisms and the appearance of other organisms. For example, in the ancient area, a change in the natural condition of the ecosystem led to disappearance of dinosaurs and causes their extinction. Second part or second factor is man interference. Some human activity lead to disturbance of the environmental balance, like cutting down trees, burning forests, pollution the environment, and eroding the soil. Factors that keep environmental balance. Some food relationship keeps the environmental balance as predation. In predation, the organizes the number of prey. Predators help prey to get rid of weak or sick members and let the strong ones reproduce, adding strong members to population. What happens if there were no predators in ecosystem? The environmental balance will be disturbed as number of prey will increase, that the available food resources become not enough for prey. Competition appears among prey population, so prey will die. Second relationship keeps the environmental balance is saprophytism. Saprophytic organisms as bacteria and fungi help the environment in getting rid of dead bodies or dead organisms by decomposing them, recycling the chemical elements found in the bodies of dead organisms. What happens if there is no saprophytism? The Earth's surface will be covered by a dead organism bodies. The chemical elements will not be recycling, though the other organisms can get benefits. Man can benefit from saprophytic organisms in many industries. Food industry. Some saprophytic organisms are used in making some types of food such as cheese, bread, yogurt, vinegar, and alcohol. Drug industry. Some saprophytic organisms are used in manufacturing some drugs such as antibiotics. Leather tanning industry. Some saprophytic organisms are used in tanning of natural leather. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.